Hello and welcome to another update video about Link. Yeah, we're here on the Chainlink chart, and as you can see, the market possibly bottomed in this B wave here on the 10th of March, 11th of March, but that's currently not the preferred scenario. I mean, there's just nothing that clearly confirms that at this stage. First of all, we haven't even broken above a critical swing high like this one from early March. I mean, this is my first signal line. Market has been unable to break above this one so far. It is at around $17.70. The move to the upside was choppy and overlapping, quite messy, and the trend line simply broke. And we're now here. We dropped quite substantially after breaking below the trend line, so I can remove that from the chart actually. And this is not a 5-wave move up. There's no way you can call that a 5-wave move to the upside. I mean, you can always build something, but it would be so speculative. So it's not 5 waves up. However, it can of course be something like 5 waves in a diagonal pattern, but then I need to see the larger 5-wave advance. This would mean that this is something like an ABC structure in wave 1, wave 2, ABC in 3, ABC in 4, ABC in 5. So it can turn into a larger 5-wave pattern, of course. But there's no evidence at this stage that a low is in. When would I assume we've bottomed? It would take a break above that $17.75 level. First indication that the bulls at least make a surprise comeback is a break above $14.51, because that's the 50% retracement of the last decline, at least here on the micro level. So getting above that level would be the first indication that the bulls are trying to take the lead, at least on a local level. But for now, we're holding even below initial resistance. The decline is quite sharp. It doesn't look finished yet, and we simply have a small bounce at the moment. Next structural support levels here, around $13.20 and then $12.66. These are the next structural support levels, and it seems likely at the moment that the market is going to test the next larger degree Fibonacci support to complete the overall pattern that started in December, this downtrend, and that could send it to round about $11. Either way, if we move to the upside, it should do it from here. I'm going to add some Fibonacci support, but this is really simply to watch. I would call that weak support, really just weak support. And these are just some fib levels to watch here. It's based on the rally that happened, and we're already in Fibonacci support. I'm actually going to remove the upper section just to give you these two levels to watch, which pretty much align with those structural support levels, $12.61 and $13.26. These are just the next fib levels to watch from where the market might try an upside reversal. But please note, it is speculative at this stage until we see really a break above initial resistance. And then follow through above $16, which is the top of yellow wave B or blue wave 1, and a break above the green line at $17.73. That's the update about Link. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.